Hi, my name is Brenda Lee Rivera, and I am a fifth grade teacher at the Unidos Dual Language School in Clayton County, Georgia. Now, where to start off with this evaluating this, it's rigor for me, training. It was phenomenal. It really was. It was relevant. It was concise yet thorough. It can be used, all this information that was gathered and with the use of the materials can be used through all content areas, which is great for collaboration. It's also useful for not only the regular ed teacher, but for those that come in and provide additional services, such as your special ed teacher, your ESOL teacher, your EIP teacher. And what I take back with me is not only a plethora of information that's going to help me and create better lesson plans, and also to ensure that all my students' needs are being met. So, with that being said, thank you, Dr. Barbara Blackburn, for the awesome information. Again, concise, thorough, and the resources bought and the examples that were provided and discussed, phenomenal. It was just great. It was awesome. I also want to thank the Gifted in Education Department, Christy Heath, Virginia Willingham, and Shakira Brody for their help as well. This was a great training that I happened to just stumble upon it, and I said, why not? This is always needed. And the beauty of it is that I took it after I did my gifted endorsement. It could have not come at a better time. So thank you so much. Thank you, CCPS, for always providing the best that you can to train us and service our students and in moving them along. Thank you.